Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will learn about pointer. Okay, so uh, let's see what pointer is. So pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Okay, so what that means is I will show you here. This is the pointer and return 0. Okay, so pointer. Now, so let's take one integer variable. Int x is equal to 5 and in star ptr is equal to address of x. Okay, so this is the pointer. This is how pointer looks like. So star ptr. Okay, this is star and ptr. I have mentioned this ptr, but instead of this ptr you can write some other variable also. Okay, star ptr and address of x. So this pointer means it's the it's a variable that store the memory address of another variable. So this ptr is storing the memory address of another variable x. Okay, so let's print out what it comes. Print as percentage I, and to print this pointer variable is like star ptr. Save and first of all clear this. Now run. See, it is printing out 5. This is how print star pointer looks like and how to print pointer. Let's go to another concept. This is the recent I have shown you how pointer looks like. Star ptr. Okay, this is kind of pointer. So to and there are to declare pointer there are you can declare two integer pointer, car printer and for printer. So we've seen integer. Let's go to car car car. So this is a, okay, and we need to assign an integer print car printer star ptr is equal to c r. Okay, now yeah, this is the print here. Instead of I, you have to give, since it's a character printer, so you have to make C and save and run. Sorry, there is some. Okay, you need to add and here. Save and run. Okay, so it is printing as A. But here in this case character printer, so instead of C, if we write I, it will give us something different. Okay, it will give us something different because see each and every character in programming language like C has this ASCII value. So if you hover it here, in place of A it is showing the ASCII value of A is 65. Okay, now we want to print this this uh, printer variable, and here we what type of data type we have given integer. What is integer? So here it will print us 65 because this a ascii value of a 65. And this one, see, no. Okay, we have to save it and run. Save and run. That is giving us 65. Okay. This is, you can declare different type of integer integer car or float ptr. So this is how you can print PTR. There is also one, we also have pointer to pointer concept. Okay, pointer to pointer concept is the same thing. Like pointer is a variable, there is another variable. So this pointer will store that kind of that pointer. So let's say here, let's say int x is equal to and x is equal to 5. Okay, now we will make new pointer a star ptr is equal to and x. Okay, it's a single pointer. The single pointer is storing the memory address of this variable a. Okay, this is how we need to write it indicator. Now pointer to pointer means int star star pptr. Okay, instead of pptr you can write some other variable also, but for the sake of understanding I have used pptr. So this double star means it is the pointer to pointer address. Now pointer to pointer, now it also must also take some memory address. So it will take and of ptr. Okay, so it will store the memory address of this ptr. If you print this one, percentage I star ptr set and run. See, it is giving us this file. This is what pointer to pointer means. Similar to single pointer, so pointer to pointer also have you can assign with different types of data type like int, char and float. So that's it for today, and we have in this video we have learned what pointer is, what pointer to pointer is, and how pointers look like, and uh, how you can define pointer. So in next video we'll try to solve some problem related to pointer, and you will get a brief idea on pointer. So, so that's it for today.